This video will show you how to correctly install Norseman's cardboard bulkhead system. 4 to 6 wood or steel bracing bars will be needed to install the bulkhead properly. Wooden 2x4s need to be 91 and 5/8 inches long. The wood should also be number 2 and better quality, and being HT stamped. They also must be ISPM 15 certified. Wooden 2x4s must be used with Norseman's patented bracing bar system caps. Steel bracing bars must be 94.5 inches in length and have an outer diameter of 1.66 inches and a 0.125-inch wall thickness or square tube equivalent. No end caps are needed for steel bars. Always refer to any relevant engineering documents to determine the number of braces needed, based on the container size, load weight, and density, as well as the load height. Use the brace location blocks printed on the bulkhead when using wood 2x4s. The pattern blocks come in 6, 5, and 4 brace configurations. These blocks will determine where the wood braces sit when installed on the face of the bulkhead. Steel bracing bars use either a 4 or 5 bar option that's also printed on the bulkhead. Insert zip ties in the pre-made slots that run vertically under the chosen brace configuration. For this example, we're using the 4 brace configuration with steel bracing bars. Once the brace configuration is determined, insert zip ties into the pre-made slots where the bracing bars will be placed. The ties should be inserted from the back side of the bulkhead. This is because access to the backside won't be possible after the bulkhead is moved into position. This also helps make it easier to move the bulkhead from the front. Be sure to cinch the right side zip ties, leaving a generous amount of slack for the steel bracing bar to be slipped through. Leave the left side zip ties unattached. Next, bring the bulkhead into the container. Unfold the bulkhead and step on the lower folding tab from the back side to bend it in. The tab should be facing inside the container, not towards the door. Then, grab and bend the side folding tabs backward. Again, the tab should be facing inside against the container wall. From the front of the bulkhead, pull it into position close to the door end of the container. Be sure to slot the bulkhead into position in the U-channel of the container wall right next to the door before moving on to the braces. With the zip ties in place, bring in the first steel bracing bar and slide it through the bottom right loop and let it hang with the bar placed in the U-channel. Raise the other end of the bar and then lower it into place. It should be parallel to the container floor. Take the bottom left unattached zip tie and cinch it around the bar. Tighten both the right and left ties so the bar is hanging freely without resting on any finger bars. Work your way up the cardboard bulkhead, placing bars where zip ties are set. All steel bracing bars should be hanging freely and sitting parallel to the container floor. Once installed, you can now begin the loading process. To learn more about our containerized shipping solutions, visit our website at norsemansolutions.com.